Understanding pay grade, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, pay grade. This is a term you might encounter in professional settings or in everyday conversation. So, let's explore it together and enhance your understanding of English expressions. Let's start with the basics. A pay grade is a step or level in a pay scale, often used in military, government, or corporate settings. It indicates a person's salary range based on their job position, experience, or seniority. Understanding this literal meaning is crucial, as it lays the foundation for grasping the idiomatic usage of the term. Now, when pay grade is used idiomatically, it takes on a different flavor. Saying something is above my pay grade implies that a matter or decision is beyond someone's authority or expertise. It's a way of saying that the issue is for someone in a higher position to deal with or decide on. This phrase can often be used humorously or modestly in everyday conversations. To better understand, let's see some examples. 1. In the workplace, if an employee says, "Deciding on the new marketing strategy is above my pay grade," they mean it's a decision for someone higher up, like a manager or director. 2. In casual conversation, if a friend asks you for advice on a complex legal matter, you might say, "Sorry, that's above my pay grade," indicating it's beyond your knowledge or expertise. It's important to use this phrase correctly. Remember, it's often informal and can seem dismissive if used in serious or sensitive situations. Use it when you want to convey that something is outside your scope of responsibility or expertise, but be mindful of the context and the audience. And that's a wrap on pay grade. Whether in a literal sense or as an idiom, this phrase is a handy part of the English language. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use pay grade confidently in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning English is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way.